Hey everyone, this is Calvin and Marie with Southern Country Living. We hope that you enjoy our videos. Be sure and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, leave us comments, and everyone have a great day.
Hi, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing a Tater Tot Casserole, and this is one Calvin seen that he liked, and so he asked me if I'd make it for him, and I said yeah, and so he said, how about making it today? And I said, all right, then I will. He says it's similar to the ones that I made. He made the John Wayne casserole in the crock pot, and so this one is going to be cooked in the oven though, and so let me get started. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to brown 1 pound of hamburger meat. And then I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm going to put probably about 1/2 of a small onion. It's very cold outside today, but it's very beautiful today. We've had several days here in Georgia of nothing but just continuous rain. And so our rivers and streams are really overflowing, but we're very thankful for this beautiful weather today. And as soon as I get this hamburger meat finished cooking, I'm going to drain it and I'll be right back. Okay, my hamburger meat has been drained, so now I'm going to be adding it into my bowl. And now I'm going to be adding my tater tots. This is a 2-pound bag. Okay, and now I'm going to be adding my cheddar cheese soup. And when you cook this, you bake it for 25 to 30 minutes in a 400-degree oven. And you can garnish this however you want to, but me and Calvin's going to put lettuce and tomato on ours. And then I'm going to put about 1/2 cup of this, and then I'm going to put the other half on the top of it. I'm going to see if this will, I think I'm going to toss the fork and see if it'll do this. I'm stirring this up. I didn't like that spoon that good. Yeah, I think that's a lot better. get that cheese incorporated. Okay. Get a paper towel. Okay, now then I'm going to put this taco seasoning on it. It's taco season mix al paso. I'm going to go back to my spoon again. Oh, that taco seasoning does smell good, don't it?
Makes it smell real good.
Okay, put the rest of it in there. Okay. Now then I'm going to spray my baking dish. I believe this is going to be really good. What do you think, Kevin?
I think it looks great. Smells real good.
I might have to put more than 1 cup of cheese on top, though.
That'll be all right with me. I love cheese.
I'll let you know. This recipe will be in the description below. I don't know, this might be enough. What do you think, Kevin?
Let's go ahead and just go with the 1 cup.
Okay.
I think it'll look good that way.
Okay. All right, I'll see you in about 30 minutes.
Okay, you're going to cook that for 25 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees, right?
Right.
Okay. Now while this is cooking, do you want to sing or you want me to sing?
Well, how about I volunteer for somebody, one of our subscribers to sing.
Okay, well we'll be back with you when it's done.
Taco casserole is, tater tot casserole is finished. It cooked exactly 30 minutes at 400 degrees. So I'm going to dip us out some of it. put some lettuce on it. How about the way this smells, Calvin?
I love how it smells. Can't wait to get a bite of it.
Okay. Oh, and I'm going to sprinkle some tomatoes on it. I'll put a little green onion on it. And a dab of sour cream. And a little bit of taco sauce. And I think this is going to make a nice dinner. And it was very easy. It's cost effective. Okay, me and Kevin is fixing to enjoy our tater tot casserole. And I think we'll get about 3 more freezer meals out of this. Okay, me and Kevin is finished with our tater tot casserole, and it sure was good. And we wound up with 3 freezer meals, and we like to cook casseroles like this because there's just 2 of us, and this is the way we prep and have extra meals. And this recipe was really good, but me and Kevin said the potato tots were good and done and everything, but we think that for them to be really, really hot, we would have cooked it just maybe 10 more minutes. But we really enjoyed it. Love what you do and do what you love, and have a great day. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here